Poems by Fraser, Urquhart. A sweet bird. There's one sweet bird that is so common, and it's called the red robin. To call it, just go and dig, and you'll see its little legs do a check. It will hop to you to find some grub. When it's next to you, give it a rub. Old Brian. There was an old man called Brian who was fond of the number 9. He loved it so much that he brought it out to dine. There was a brown owl who liked to fly up and down. He flew up so high that he fell down and caught a rat in a nightgown. The berry. Fresh raspberries just off the tree, picked by fairies that live by the sea. Sweet strawberries freshly picked, better than cherries and don't make you sick. Ripe blueberries, oh so sweet, and from the ring of Kerry that don't die of heat. By Fraser, Urquhart.